Hi, let's practice these yoga poses that help us with digestion. So first, let's just sit for a moment. Become aware of the breath in your nostrils. Inhale and feel the breath move up. Exhale, feel the breath move down. Inhale, breathing in. Breath moves up through the nostrils. And exhale, the breath moves down. Start to bring your awareness a little deeper so that you start to bring the breath more down toward the pelvic floor, down toward the abdomen. And on the exhale, press the breath out by squeezing at the abdomen and drawing the breath out. Let's draw the arms forward. Take shoulders back and bring the arms up. Big breath in here, stretching through your abdomen. Arms reaching upward, and then exhale, turn to one side. Take a deep breath. Chest expands, and on the exhale, as you pull your belly in, take yourself a little bit more into the twist. Deep breath in this position. Exhale completely. And inhale, come back. Now, draw the arms forward, pull shoulders back, lift up. Feel your whole abdomen nice and stretched. Deep breath here. And on your exhale, turn, and one hand to the front knee, one hand to the back. Deep breath in, deep exhale. Feel your belly move with your breath. As you draw the belly in, it stokes that digestive fire. On your inhale, unwind. So let's come to lie on the back. Lie down on your back. And let's start by drawing the right knee in toward the chest. You can keep your left leg bent if you like, or you can straighten it. So on your inhale, push your knee a little bit into your hands. And on the exhale, pull that knee in toward the abdomen. So we're squeezing the ascending colon. Helping things physically move through our body. Inhale, making space, the belly expands, and exhale, drawing the thigh to the abdomen. Release that leg, we'll bring the other one in. And inhale, push your knee into your hands, and exhale, draw back. Moving in and out with breath. So this can be a nice rhythmic flow, and you can do this at a slower pace if that feels better for you. You could stop the tape and do more if you like. So on your inhale, bring both feet to the floor. Take a nice deep breath. Sigh or yawn, release it out. Let's go with some rolling bridge now. Feet on the floor, lift your arms over your head as you inhale, belly expands. And on the exhale, draw your spine back to the floor, pull your belly down toward your spine. Inhale, rolling up. Exhale, rolling down. You can stay at the top here. Deep breath in. Exhale completely. Press your feet down. Lift your hips more. And then on an exhale, roll back down. And take a nice deep breath. Deep exhale. So let's scoop the hips over to the right. Extend the left leg. Arms can come to the T. Lift your right foot off the floor. You can keep your knee bent or you can straighten it. Inhale here and exhale. Bring your leg across the body. Inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, bring it across. Inhale. Exhale. So this is 3. You could do more. Take a nice deep breath. Deep exhale, holding this twist. 2 more breaths here. And then on your next inhale, coming back. Walk your hips over to the left. Extend the right leg. Draw left knee in. Take a deep breath. And on your exhale, bring that knee across the body. Inhale, lift it up. Either bent knee or straight. And exhale, bring it across. Deep breath in, belly expands. Exhale, take it over. And now, if you're able to grab your foot or hold onto your knee and take 3 nice deep breaths here. Feel how your chest expands, your belly is twisting. Breathe deeply. And on an inhale, bring your spine back to the floor. We can draw both knees in toward the chest, rock a little bit. Apanasana, inhale, both knees move away. Exhale, both knees draw in. And then finally bringing your feet to the floor. Take your legs away from each other. You might scoop the flesh down from away from the sit bones. Arms come up and over. And deep breathing here. Feel the breath as it moves all the way down deep into your belly. And as you exhale, draw the belly back in. So we'll stay for just a few breaths, but if you want to do practice longer at home, just stop the video. On the inhale, draw the arms up, bring your legs together. We'll roll to the left side. And this is a really great place to rest for a few moments with the left side down. You can stay here. And when you're ready, bring yourself all the way back up. Take a deep breath. I hope that made you feel a little more comfortable. It aids in digestion, especially the twists and all that deep breathing. So thank you so much.